Meet the Echo Show 8 with 8-inch HD screen and stereo sound. It connects to Alexa and helps you access entertainment in any room of your choice. Alexa, play Family Man on Amazon Prime Video.
Playing Family Man on Amazon Prime Video.
Play your favorite song and sing along to the lyrics. Alexa, play Señorita.
Playing Señorita by Shawn Mendes and Camila Cabello on Amazon Prime Music.
Make hands-free video calls to other Echo devices with screen, your Skype contacts and smartphones with the Alexa app. Alexa, call Dad. Voice control your compatible smart home devices. Alexa, switch on the lights. And here's what's interesting. Alexa now also speaks in Hindi. Just say, Alexa, तुम कैसी हो?
आपने पूछा, दिल garden garden हो गया.
The Echo Show 8 and Alexa are always adding new skills and getting smarter. Echo Show 8 from Amazon.
Hi, my name is Aditya, and in this video we're going to check out the top features of the Amazon Echo Show smart speaker. This smart speaker gets a smart display which is 8-inch and it supports HD resolution which is 1280 by 720 pixels. So now let's get started with the top features of this smart speaker. So as the name suggests, Echo Show 8 gets an 8-inch display and it supports HD resolution. This means you get 1280 by 720 pixel for video quality. That means you can stream videos as well as see a lot of content through different streaming platforms. In addition to this, you have also the capability of using Amazon Alexa app on your smartphone and plug in through to this speaker and get video call support. So let's say if you want to call someone and you can do that through your Alexa app on this phone, you can just transmit back the connection to this speaker and you can see them over this on the big screen. In terms of features now, it's got all these features that basically talks about the connectivity factor. So now you have the wireless connectivity option and the wired connectivity option. So let's say if you want to connect this speaker through wireless connectivity, then you have Bluetooth support and you can just go to your device's Bluetooth settings and you can just pair it with this and you can do a lot of stuff. But the most important thing is this is a smart speaker ecosystem device. So that means it works through the Alexa voice assistant that is from Amazon and it lets you work through the Amazon Alexa app that works on your phone. So you just need to do is you just need to log into your Amazon ID and you just have to just sign in and use all kind of services. So what you can do is you can order food, you can hail a cab, you can check out weather, you can check out traffic, you can do all the other things. Apart from that, let's say if you want to build a smart home ecosystem in your house and you have smart bulbs, you have smart switches and you want to control them in a one holistic place. So this device gives you that platform and you can just control everything, and using the screen you can also control it manually as well. So this is a touch display. So what you can do is you can control things and you can get different kind of options. It also works as a nice digital photo frame on your table and it just adds a different appeal to your household on its own. In terms of privacy features now, Amazon is making sure that because it has a camera as well as microphone, both of them are controlled in terms of the privacy features. So manually you can turn off the microphone whenever you don't want the microphone to catch audio, and let's say if you don't want the camera to pick a lot of footage in your area in certain particular time, you just have this button over here, just swipe it down and what you can do is you're blocking the camera so that it's not working all the time. Then we've also talked about the fact that this speaker works through a power source. So you have this adapter bundle inside this box. You just need to plug in through the power point over there on the speaker and the other port goes to the smart speaker and the power plug works, and then that's how the power functions. So those are in terms of the features, but the most important thing for me with this device is that because it's got stereo speakers, the audio experience is much better, and the far field control means that you can actually be far away from the speaker, and even with your normal voice assistant voice, what you can do is it can catch your voice and command and make sure that it reads and does whatever you're asking in terms of action from the smart speaker. So as you can see, Echo Show 8 is feature packed, and for the price that you're getting it in the market, you have a lot of things and you have a different entry into the smart speaker ecosystem that also gets you into smart home ecosystem as well. It's got this far field voice control. That means that you can be far away from the speaker and still the speaker is able to catch your voice commands and it can do this without any issues. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned with us for more.